Hey guys, it's Matt Morgan here, your master marketer. Today we are going to talk about the introduction to marketing. A light, easy, and straightforward video for you. What I need from you now is to turn on your post notifications and hit that subscribe button for me. Like the video at the end if you truly enjoyed the content provided. Alright. Now without wasting any more time, let's get into today's video. What is marketing? It is an offering that is a product or a service that is developed in order to satisfy a customer's needs. These products and services can be tangible or they can be intangible. What is tangible and intangible, you ask? Tangible items are physical objects you can own. For example, you can physically own a soccer ball. The soccer ball is a tangible product. The intangible items are more so services provided to you. For example, you're going to the doctor's office and you're talking to the receptionist. You both are passing back and forth your medical information to prepare the doctor for your visit. This is an intangible service. You're not actually getting a physical product to bring home to be yours to own. It's more so an interaction with another human. Another example can be monthly subscriptions you pay. You don't own any physical property by paying those monthly subscriptions. But you are given a service instead. Make sense? Great. The entire business world revolves around marketing. A little dramatic, I know, but it's not really. If consumers are not aware of new products or services launching to the public, then there is no business. Do you get what I'm saying? If people don't know there's something to buy, then why would they buy? That being said, getting the customer to understand that there is a product, service is extremely important to any successful business. But in order to be successful, customer satisfaction is mandatory. If there's customers who know about your product and love it, great. If there's customers who know about your product but don't enjoy features of it, listen to the feedback. Without them, you don't have a business. Show them you are a better option to other businesses, give them what they want. Have trust, loyalty and honor in the product, service that you say that you're providing them. To wrap up for my first video, I just want to say thank you for watching today, and this is only the beginning. Comment below what you thought of today's video. See you all Friday.